guys, so we've got Dylan's XK boot lid roughed in and ready to mount on the car. We've got it out there and we've gapped it roughly just for now. It fits as good as it did before, which is to say it doesn't fit the rear quarters great, but it's the actual original inner skin and framework. That's how it was stamped. It just doesn't follow the curve lines of the rear quarters real flash. But so we'll take you out. I've got it mounted on there so I can try and gap the bottom edge and make sure it lines up with the back panel. And I'll show you what we're talking about. So there we go. We've got it mounted on. And yes, we could muck around with the hinges a little bit more and get it even and stuff like that. But it's just me on my own here today. So I just roughed it on roughly. So doesn't follow too bad, and what I've tried to end up doing is flushing the back edge with the panel that goes across the back, and that all seems to mount up reasonably well. But like it did before with the original boot skin, over here on the passenger side, it doesn't really follow that curve there that well. And I'll see if I can address it, but the inner structure is actually out there, and I cut the inner structure down below, lower. So that upper section there of the inner frame is still the original one. So if I can dress it back in a little bit, I will, and then reshape that bottom edge again. But I don't think I'll have much luck getting that in there. So we'll give that a shot. Okay, so that's close enough for what we're working with. Now I'm going to take that back off again and flip it over, and then we'll spot weld the inside seam back to the inner frame, how it's supposed to be, and that'll lock it in and stop it moving around. Okay, so we've got the old paint stripped off, and the boot lid does have quite a few ripples in that up towards the back edge. It looks like it could have possibly had some hail damage. So yeah, it all fits the car. I've just got to get Dylan to find me the badge for the back of the boot lid so I can drill the holes through and make sure that fits. And then we'll get through and get it filled and primed and blocked back and get it straight. And that's another 2 down. Alrighty. Really short one for this week. Hopefully we get a bit more done next weekend when we've got some time to get back into it fully. And we'll see you next time. Wait, come on you two. Absolute idiots. Come on. Bailey, Shelby, now, out, come on.